Hi, I'm Holly Getlin, and this is my story. Two days before Thanksgiving, I noticed that my floor didn't look right. I had little pyramids in my wooden floor. There must have been a leak. I called out a plumber. Sure enough, a pipe broke in my wall. They fixed it for me, but I had a mess left. First thing I did was call my insurance company. God bless them. They recommended two different contractors. I chose one. I chose Allied. Very happy with the work that they did. They really kept my sanity here. We had to rip out just about all the downstairs floors. People were very professional. I cannot complain about any of the work that was done. Everyone tried to make me happy, especially Will. He tried to make sure I was very happy with everything. I hadn't realized that the damage that water can cause is just like a fire. It's very difficult, and I had two little dogs living with me too. We all weathered it quite nicely. The first company I called, the first contractor, stood me up. Didn't come on the time that they said they would come, or the day. Then called a couple of days after our appointment and said they were very busy with the fire. We had fires in the Santa Barbara area. And I understood. I did let them come back and we talked. I just didn't get the good vibe feeling. Didn't get it. So I called the adjuster, insurance company adjuster, and asked him to recommend somebody else. He recommended Allied, and everything went like clockwork. Interesting, Will asked me when I signed the contract with Allied, what are the three most important things to me? I said one was to keep appointments. You make an appointment, keep an appointment, and be on time. The other was to be aware of my dogs, to make sure that doors were closed and that they wouldn't escape. And the third thing was to treat my home as if it were their home. I'm not at all sorry I used Allied. I would use them again. My insurance company was Chubb Insurance Company. My adjuster was Tony. He was very receptive to what was going on. He commiserated with me, made me feel like I wasn't alone. They've been very good to me. Chubb has been very good. I'm going to continue with Chubb. I would rate Allied as a 10. Everybody that worked for us here, we had a lot of ups and downs here, things that we wanted to replace no longer existed. House was built in 1988. Here we are in 2018. But Will made it all work out okay. He was here, he was available by phone. If he didn't answer his phone, I left a message. He got back to me right away. He went looking for things on his own. I think he did a really great job. I think most of the workers were aware of the quality of work that I was interested in. If not, Will made sure they knew that. And they tried to live up to what I expected. Can't ask for more than that.